Want to know how to create a poll on WhatsApp? You would want to create a poll on WhatsApp to quickly collect feedbacks or opinion from friends, families, or colleagues. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to create a poll on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open WhatsApp app on your screen. Now open any chat you wish to create a poll. Now then tap on the attachment icon in the message box. Here you can see multiple options. Tap on the poll option. To create a poll, firstly you will need to type a question and furthermore add an option. After entering question and option, tap on the send button and wait for the results. So this is how to create a poll on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.